cannot wait. Well, my arms are a little too thick, but I can do that. My arms are a little potato salad thick. Can't really do it on the arm, but really you can, but you know, it's a little tight. But baby, let me come out with this. Ooh. Now I'm just waiting on the pack to drop for Shein. I don't know how you say it. I don't know that's how you say it. Shein. Is it Shein or Shein? Shein. I'm waiting on the pack to drop from Shein, AliExpress, and what was it? Lovely Wholesale.